Dear students and viewers, welcome back. Today we will discuss about paragraph punctuality. Punctuality implies to be on time. Punctuality benefits an individual in all aspects of life. It also helps an individual to build up his or her character and creates a positive impression on society. If one is not punctual, then his or her life fills with friction in whatever he or she does. Without being punctual, an individual feels that he or she is wasting time, and where and how the time flies, one can never estimate. A punctual person can manage all the household chores and other tasks at the right time. It is evident that punctuality is one of the key aspects to attain success in life. One who understands and values time can easily become a punctual individual and becomes successful. It helps one to understand the value of time. Time once lost can never come back. It is the habit of punctuality which makes us understand and teaches us to respect the value of time. For a student, punctuality is the stepping stone towards discipline and being sincere. It is utmost important for a student to be punctual to attain success during his or her student life. It is the base on which the student's life during school and afterward shapes up. A student being punctual is considered having one of the noblest virtues. It helps the students to cultivate the habit of completing their tasks in due time. Punctuality proves the great saying, a stitch in time saves nine, meaning completing one's task in due time and avoiding troublesome. It is the virtue of punctuality which makes the students more disciplined and responsible. A sense of responsibility is attained by the virtue of punctuality. Being punctual, students can always be at the right time, whether be it in school, in the lab, in class, at home, in the examination hall, at the playground, etc. The teachers and parents of other students highly appreciate the students who are punctual. Punctuality leads to a happy mind. It is a key to happiness and having a healthy mind. Therefore, any person having this quality would always feel comfortable while doing his or her work. He or she wakes up early in the morning and always feels energetic to do more tasks. Punctuality brings positivity in our mind and heart. One is clear about his or her thoughts, plans, and activities, which is also an essential element to move forward in life. Punctuality is not being practiced only by human beings, but also the nature around us. Every day, the sun rises in the morning, sets in the evening. After the day comes the night. Each of the seasons follows their timeline. All these natural phenomena encourage us to be punctual in our life to attain a goal and have a peaceful mind. Thus, punctuality is the essence of life. It is very important for us to develop such quality from a very young age and lead ourselves and our country to a greater height. The rate of growth of the Human Development Index is better in a country where everyone knows and understands the value of time by being punctual. It ultimately helps in the economic growth of the country. Therefore, punctuality is not only a key to success for an individual but also for the entire community, nation, and globe at large.